Though we've created and deployed custom reporting and analysis solutions for customers in the past, in the case of our client that had an ERP system deployed, based on the needed enhancements, we determined that the best solution would be to implement a BI system. That decision was based on the following: the need to reduce data entry time requirements as well as potential for human error, accessibility of data due to industry standard database foundation of the ERP system, the number and complexity of summarizations, aggregations, and analyses required from data, the desire for users to be able to set parameters for reports, the cost and time requirements to produce all of the requisite characteristics in custom-built spreadsheet or reporting solutions. Having determined that deployment of a BI system was the best solution, we then had to decide which one to deploy. Some of the factors we considered when determining the best option were the primary business application database technology deployed, the Office automation suite in use, application development platforms and technologies in use, networking and security technologies deployed, need for access by users across computing devices and locations. The business intelligence platform we selected and deployed is called Power BI by Microsoft. Power BI allows us to connect directly to the database on which the ERP system was built. It provides a web-based portal that allows users to access reports and data and dashboards. It also provides several gateway solutions that allow secure connections to distributed and local data sources. Access to the portal is integrated with the Microsoft 365 users and groups that have been set up for the customer's business IT domain. To create and deploy the first report, we began the design process using Power BI Desktop provided by Microsoft. We set up data connections and relationships within the report development application. Then we created an initial set of reports to replace the spreadsheet reporting solution that had been maintained by the production manager. Comparison procedures were implemented to confirm the data set we'd set up for the initial reports. The first report was published to the Power BI portal . It allowed the production manager and those who used the previous spreadsheet solution to obtain production data based on dates and other fields as criteria. This solution allowed for data to be retrieved directly from the database, meaning no secondary data entry was required. There was no opportunity for user data entries. Design of subsequent report pages was relatively quick and inexpensive.